Good morning, and welcome to the 2021 Sakura Days Japan Fair. My name is Danielle Markewicz from the Japan Fair Association of Vancouver, and I'm pleased to act as your virtual Master of Ceremonies for this year's virtual festival. This morning, we invite 3 individuals involved with the Sakura Days Japan Fair to say a few words of welcome to all festival participants joining us virtually this year. Firstly, Mr. Takashi Hatori, the Consul-General of Japan in Vancouver. Secondly, Ms. Linda Poole, founder and creative director of the Vancouver Cherry Blossom Festival. Finally, Mr. Takashi Tsukamoto, chair of the Japan Fair Association of Vancouver. Please allow me to pass the virtual microphone over to Mr. Hatori to start.
Greetings, everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you to Sakura Day Japan Fair for 2021. Congratulations to the Japan Fair Association in Vancouver and the Vancouver Cherry Blossom Festival for their effort to produce and present the festival this spring. After an unexpected pause last year, I'm pleased to see the fair has returned. Although the format is now virtual, you can still participate and enjoy many aspects of the culture of Japan. Please accept my best wishes for an enjoyable and successful fair. I look forward to when we can meet again in person under the cherry blossoms.
My name is Linda Poole, the founder of the Vancouver Cherry Blossom Festival. And this spring, we're all so very happy to welcome back Sakura Days Japan Fair and all their efforts to present exciting virtual performances and workshops online. And congratulations to our amazing long-term partner, Japan Fair Association of Vancouver, because it's a lot of work to go virtual, as we all know. And special thanks for bringing us all good luck with their appealing Fukubukuro lucky draw bags. They're amazing. Japan Fair Association of Vancouver over all these years has introduced us to the fascinating cultural traditions of Japan, for which we're so very grateful. Thank you. So happy spring and enjoy Sakura safely, and most importantly, to be respectful of all COVID protocols. Thank you and have fun. See you later.
Hello, everybody. I'm Takashi Tsukamoto, a chair of Japan Fair Association of Vancouver. Japan Fair Association of Vancouver is the organization committee of Sakura Days Japan Fair. Last year, we had to cancel Sakura Days Japan Fair 2020 due to COVID-19. Our mission is to provide a place where Japanese culture and business gather together and introduce them to local people, local community. However, we were not able to achieve our mission last year. It was very, very regrettable for us. This year also, the status of coronavirus hasn't been changed yet. However, this year we have been able to get the cooperation of vendors and performers who participate in the past Sakura Days Japan Fair. And with this cooperation, we have been able to hold virtual Sakura Days Japan Fair 2021. We greatly appreciate those vendors and performers. Thank you. Thank you very much. This year, we provide you with mainly 2 things. One is performance and workshop. The performance video will be uploaded on our website, and workshop will be held by 2 online tools. Another one is Fukubukuro sales. The Fukubukuro means a lucky bag that contains Japanese-related items inside. It has already been on sale and many customers bought it. I know only these two things are not enough, but I hope these are able to make your present time more under these hard coronavirus circumstances, even it a bit. Lastly, I'd like to say thank you to all of the members of organizing committee. They work hard and voluntarily for Sakura Days Japan Fair 2021. Thank you. Thank you very much. The Sakura Days Japan Fair 2021 has started. Please enjoy the Sakura Days Japan Fair 2021 online event. Thank you.
Welcome back. On behalf of the Japan Fair Association of Vancouver, I would like to thank the Consulate-General of Japan in Vancouver for its sponsorship. We have a number of wonderful virtual activities scheduled over the next 2 days, and I hope that you will enjoy this year's festival. For a full overview of the festival schedule, please take a look at our website. The videos will be published on our website based on the time schedule for each day. Please allow me to give a brief overview of today's programming. First, at 12 p.m. Pacific Time, we have the Banana Bread concert. Banana Bread is a ukulele-based acoustic band performing locally in Vancouver. The band will perform 3 spring-themed songs, both in English and in Japanese, including one original song written by vocalist Ko Nakamura. At 2 p.m. Pacific Time, we have a tea ceremony demonstration by Urasenke Tankokai Vancouver Association. Urasenke is one of the main schools of Japanese tea ceremony. The Urasenke Tankokai Vancouver Association is the membership organization for Urasenke teachers and students with the aim of unifying and encouraging the practitioners of Urasenke tea ceremony. The Urasenke Tankokai Vancouver Association, established in 1993, will be demonstrating the traditional art of Japanese tea ceremony in this video. At 3 p.m. Pacific Time, Dancing Alone But Together by Tomoe Arts students. Tomoe Arts students will perform 3 dances recorded from living rooms, local parks, and homes near and far, celebrating cherry blossom season and Sakura Days Japan Fair 2021. At 4 p.m. Pacific Time, we have Sakura Nerikiri Wagashi demonstration with Wagashi coordinator Misae Ogishima. In this demonstration of wagashi, also known as traditional Japanese sweets, you will see the process of making a Sakura Nerikiri. Nerikiri is a form of traditional Japanese confectionery which is made mainly from sweet bean paste. From 7 p.m. Pacific Time, we have a live workshop, Japanese calligraphy with Kishu. Those who have attended our festival in the past are familiar with Kishu, a Japanese calligrapher currently based in Vancouver. Kishu will demonstrate both traditional and modern styles of calligraphy with a theme of Sakura, or cherry blossom. Pre-registration is required for this workshop. Please check out the Eventbrite page for more details.